Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Cronos chart from an Elliott wave point of view, Elliott wave perspective, and we will take a look at targets, support and resistance levels, and important breakout points. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link in the description. Make sure that you register. It's completely for free. It doesn't cost any money. You can get access to all of these Elliott wave updates and you can see the asset classes on the screen. Today, however, we want to take a look at the cryptocurrency section, but we also cover stocks and the S&P 500. Now here in the cryptocurrency section, you can see that we cover additional cryptocurrencies, a lot of them actually. Today, we want to take a look at the Cronos chart because it is one of the cryptocurrencies that's been quite volatile in recent days and weeks. Actually, a lot of you requested an update and we will take a look at the chart right now. First of all, just for context, the bigger picture, the overall time frame, also for those who are new to the channel or maybe those who just are interested in has anything changed on that larger time frame. And you can see here that we interpret this move up as a larger impulse to the upside. So I mean, this is really just a range, right, that so far happened on the CRO chart, but we have an overshooting B wave into the 2021 highs. That was the last bull market. Because the structure, we see it as a B wave. The previous high is a wave 1, then an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, C wave down, and we could start the third wave up now, right? And this is typically what happens, you know, a strong move up, then an A, B, C, and this was a very aggressive B wave, so it can actually be quite bullish because when a B wave overshoots, it is it's just a sign that, you know, there is a lot of bullishness in the market. Of course, you know, this is at the moment only a mathematical projection here, that target range starting at $1.31 plus. But if this interpretation is correct, the market should long term move towards that area. And I mean, what we see right now on the chart, it is quite promising. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here you can see that after this swing low that formed in November, we interpret the move up as a 1-2 setup. I think we talked about that in the last update already, but here there's a bit of an update around the smallest degree structure, the microstructure. I mentioned in the last update that it's very, very important that the chart now holds above 7 cents because that's the previous swing low. And this is the November low. That really needs to hold. So we have this 1-2 setup. The swing low that formed the higher low in November is really critical. It's a 7 cent mark, and this is the invalidation point. And whatever, you know, CRO is doing right now, that level really needs to hold. And there is a breakout point here, you know, the green line. We need to get above that level to really indicate that we are starting to move up in the next, let's say in the next wave up. Important, I think, at this stage is to mention that primarily, with a probability of 65%, we see this as a 1-2 setup. So you see this decline, which we label as an A wave over wave 2, the B wave rally, and the C wave down. So if we now see some weakness, then we would call that a C wave to the downside. We see that tendency on some other charts as well. That would probably mean that we will add another trading area to the chart. You will be updated about that either here in the next video, but also on our website. So if that happens, we will add a trading area in this C wave. There is of course no guarantee that we get this pullback. If we get it, it could be an opportunity. If there is a direct breakout that we see with a, let's say, 35% probability in an alternative scenario, then this would be in the form of a fifth wave, because then we interpret this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, when we talk about probabilities, this would have a lower probability, right? But if it happens, then no problem, because it would mean 5 waves up. That's bullish. 5-wave pattern is usually bullish. It indicates the trend is up. What we will do then, after these 5 waves are completed, we will expect and watch for a corrective pullback in an ABC structure, in a pullback, in a correction, right? Which would then ideally also form a higher low. So there are 2 bullish potentials here that we have. It's just too early to add a trading area to the chart, but as long as we're holding above 7 cents, we should now see the market progress towards that long-term target that we talked about on the long-term chart. That's the update about CRO. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you register on the website. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrency or maybe tech stock you want me to updates. So again, we cover a lot of tech stocks as well, like MicroStrategy, Coinbase. Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.